Presenting Boatstone 1400 wireless speaker with Bluetooth that is compact, lightweight and portable. With a powerful 30 watts output, the speaker allows for high-quality audio reproduction even at extremely high volumes without any distortions to give you a dynamic and immersive audio experience. It also comes with 2 equalizer modes for indoor and outdoor usage to optimize your listening experience. The Boatstone 1400 comes with a rugged, compact design with shock absorbers on both sides and an adjustable flat strap for easy portability. It also comes with an IPX5 water-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor usage as well. It comes with a built-in microphone that enables hands-free calling even on the move. With a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, the speaker provides up to 7 hours of playback time on single charge. It also comes with a Type-C charging cable. The speaker comes with Bluetooth, USB and aux connectivity. The Bluetooth speaker features easy access integrated controls. This sports speaker is available in active black and army green color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.